Students, good morning students. We have completed the exercise 21.3. So in a height and distances, today we will continue with the uh, terminal exercise. In terminal exercise related to 90 minus theta questions you all have done. It was the questions left were of the height and distances, and they are started from question number 7 of your terminal exercise. In question number 7, I am I'm just giving you a few. I'm just telling you a few questions, and a few of them I will tell you the diagrams. You will solve it themselves because I know the problem is in making the diagram, and for making the diagram, you must have to read the question very properly. In question number 7, they had given an observer. There is an observer standing 40 meters from the building, observes the angle of elevation of the top and bottom of a flag staff are 60-degree and 45-degree respectively. Means there is an observer which is stay away from standing 40 meters away from a building. There is a building, there is an observer which is 40 meter away from a building, and he is watching a flag staff, a flag, top of flag and the bottom of flag. So the angle of given for the top of flag and for the bottom of flag. For the top of flag, the angle is given, they are 60-degree and 45-degree respectively. They had given it. So nominate it. They are asking find the height of tower as well as the length of flag staff. So just nominate it. Let it is the flag staff and BC is the building, and that is your D point. So what we will consider? Let the height of flag staff is H1 and height of building is H2 meters. Now we can find out the height. So we will take triangle BCD first. In triangle BCD, what is there? That is of tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree we have taken because perpendicular and base we are taking. So the height is your H2 upon 40. So tan 45 is 1 H2 upon 40. When we will transfer it, it will be 40 is equal to H2. So the height of building is your 40 meters. Okay. In the second triangle, now we will take the second triangle. In triangle ACD, what will be there? Tan 60 will be there. That is H2 plus H1 upon base is your DC, again 40. Tan 60 is root 3. H2 we know 40. H1 we will find, that will be 40. When you will shift it that side, it will be 40 root 3 is equal to 40 plus H1. So it will be 40 root 3 minus 40 is H1. 40 can be taken as common. Root 3 minus 1 is H1. So it will be 40. 1.732 minus 1. It's 40 into 0.732. That will be your H1. So H1 you will get is 29.28 meters. So the height of flag staff is 29.28 meter and the height of building will be 40 meters. You will write it down.